Hey everyone, welcome to Digital Underground Podcast, where we spotlight innovators, trends, and hidden figures shaping Brunei's digital future. And we are down to our final episode. So, for the last time, I'm your host, Bats, here to take you behind the scenes and into the minds of the people building Brunei's digital landscape. So, today's guest is Mirza Muqri, the founder of 2035 Tech, a developer, creative thinker, and someone who's completed over 100 digital projects before most of us even picked the major. So, from Minecraft service to meaningful tech solutions, Mirza's journey is about turning passion into purpose. But before we dive in, we really love to do a quick lighthearted Q&A to get to know you better as a person. So, are you ready?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so let's warm up a little.
Okay.
Question number 1. What app do you use way more than you should?
At the moment, I think probably Instagram.
Oh, okay. Are you a real, you look at over reels ka? Banyak?
No, I manage my businesses there.
Oh, I'm sorry, because I watch reels instead. Okay, number 2, describe your personality in 3 words.
Okay, I'm a very OCD person, I think.
Oh.
Straightforward and I love tech. That's about it.
Oh, that's the reason why you're here.
Yeah.
Okay, so number 3, how do you motivate yourself?
I'm just gonna be honest here. It's about money, lah. And it's
No,
actually
money is motivation.
Okay. It's actually I want to see this country grow. Yeah. I want to digitalize everything here that I could, lah. So,
With a side of money, yeah.
besides the money part, yeah.
Real. Okay, number 4, what's one video game that defined your childhood?
Probably Minecraft.
So you've been playing Minecraft forever.
Yeah, I've been playing it since I was a kid, actually, basically. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Next question. What soundtrack or playlist do you play to get into build mode? Wait, was that heard? Did you hear? He was like, Ash.
Mixed, actually, but I love, and I know it's kind of weird. I think I love Moroccan song. Moroccan song. Moroccan.
Moroccan.
So it's more into Arabic.
Moroccan. Oh, okay. Interesting.
Yeah, I know it's a bit weird lah.
Not really. Like
Tapi
everybody has their own taste.
Yeah, I jump into that and also the, let's say, the old song.
Oh,
It
okay.
reminds me of my childhood. That's why.
I think mine would be R&B aesthetic kind. It's giving that lo-fi. But at times, because if I hear upbeat music, I'm gonna be like, not focused. Okay, next. Are you someone who thrives under pressure or need to set your own pace?
Depends on the situation, actually, but I basically have my own pace.
That is true. Yeah. And then if you could live inside a game for 24 hours, what would it be?
Wow, very interesting questions. I think it would be, of course, Minecraft.
I knew it.
Yeah,
I knew it. I was expecting it.
because it has the freedom that I need.
That is true.
I can go anywhere that I want.
But depends on which mode though.
If it's survival, then I don't think I'll be surviving, actually.
Okay, in group projects, are you the leader, idea machine, silent executor, or moral support?
I was usually the leader.
Okay. What is your dream collab?
Dream collab as in...
Your dream collaboration? Like, think beyond the line or the border.
It would be awesome to collab with brands like Nike or Adidas, Yeah, it would be awesome to have to be working with them and creating apps that could actually help the world.
Okay, last
Especially
one.
the design part lah.
Oh.
Like how people dress and everything. Yeah.
As in like kalau like dress up game macam tu ka?
Not really into games, but yeah, correct. Kind of like.
Then what kind of dress up?
It's not about dresses. It's more like how the apparel works.
For the apparel ka. Okay. Okay, last question. What's something you're really proud of but don't talk often about?
Probably my programming skills or just my project
Boast
management
it.
skills. Yeah.
I'll give you 10 seconds to boast about your programming skills. Now.
Okay, I could probably create an app within a week. I actually did manage to create an app called ngopimana.com. I challenged myself to build the app within a week, and I did manage to build the full system in a week.
Whoa.
So yeah, just to clarify, it's actually live. you can actually visit it
Now.
now.
It's a website or an app? App
It's a
kan?
website.
Ngopi mana?
Yeah, but now it was renamed to jomcafe.com.
Oh, okay. Better check it out then. All right, so let's get into it. Now let's take it back to 2009. If I'm not mistaken, you are 10 years old. So you discovered your love for tech really early. What sparked that passion?
I think my boredom. I love to explore things. Macam, every time my parents was home, the computer was there, and I just grabbed the computer and just check things out. And apparently, I was inspired by a game called TBME and built a website, a TBME game. If you've heard of TBME, yeah, it's a very old game. It's a phone game.
Is it a pixel game?
Yeah, it's a pixel game.
I love TBA. Oh my god.
And yeah, from there I was like, how can we get all the informations that we need? And I decided to manage to create a new website lah. And in the website, there's a lot of information that you can grab according to the game lah.
Then was there a specific moment, game, or a person that made you think or say that this is what you want to build your life around?
Okay, what inspires me to do programming is actually Minecraft, surprisingly.
Oh.
Yeah, because Minecraft is not limited to what's the game in. So you can actually create a mod for it. And yeah, from there it's very unlimited. It's up to your imaginations on what to build and what to say, what you want to add. So yeah, that's how I learned programming, because it was built on top of a Java programming language. So it's a good start for me.
And now I'm really curious how your Minecraft world looks like. Do you have a screenshot of the what you built?
I do. Currently I don't, but it's actually featured in a progressive magazine on the first one. Yeah. Unfortunately, I don't have the
picture. Okay, it's
book.
fine. I'll stalk you later. All right. So you've worked on around 100 plus projects. What kept you going through the tough moments? Like any early failures or wins that shaped you?
Yeah. There's a ton of failures. Yeah. And there's only a few applications that made it through, such as Booking.com, 235 Gaming, and Rendercan as well. I've built a few, let's say, a system, but it's mainly used for a client. So yeah, to innovate in Brunei is quite difficult actually, because the market isn't there and people are not willing to use the system that we built.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Is this a self push project or a client based project?
Mostly is probably 80% of it are client based project.
Oh, that's good for you.
And the rest are actually I just want to innovate.
Yeah, that's good. Then tell us about 2035 Tech. What does the name mean to you and what kind of work do you do under it?
Okay, so 2035 Tech is actually an IT solutions company. We've created a lot of solutions. So basically, one of the products that is currently live is Booking.com, but I'm no longer involved in that. It's a booking platform that you can, let's say, if you want to play badminton, and you just use Booking.com and it will secure you a slot. That is allowed. Yeah. So yeah, what was the question again? I got lost.
Yeah, I think that's mostly it. Macam, what does the name mean to you and what kind of work do you do?
So the name is actually of course, the was on 2035 lah. Yeah. So because I see that technology is every day it's improving. So we need to adapt to the new tech lah.
Yeah, every day.
And I think was on 2035 is actually more into this. It will involve a lot more tech than we usually did. Yeah.
Is there do you have a major like that, follow up along with the tech or are you self-taught ka?
I'm actually a computer science graduate.
Oh,
yeah.
I see the patterns here. Yeah.
Yeah. Dari dami when I was a kid, I was actually interested in that.
It's good that you already know what you want as early as a young age, so it set you the path to dapat dari awal. Some people macam it might be some halfway they realize they want to do this when their background is something else completely different.
Yeah.
Then how did the idea of 2035 gaming came about, and what are you hoping to teach through it?
Okay, 2035 Gaming is actually it's actually a group project. Me and some of my friends decided to say, okay, it's very hard to find a streamer in Brunei.
Streamer or
Yeah, streamer. Streamer is a gamers who
Yeah,
stream
yeah,
their
yeah,
games that are in
yeah.
in Twitch, Facebook, and
yeah,
everything.
yeah.
It's very hard to connect them
Oh,
because in Brunei they're only more into groups. It's in Kuak.
yeah,
So
yeah.
they don't really communicate with each other.
Uh,
And me and my team decided to create the platform uh, in goals to actually bring
Unite
unite
the community
bring the
lah.
community together. Yeah, and yeah, that's how 2035 Gaming started.
And is it still running?
Unfortunately, no, because when we built it, it was on COVID time, so it died down because I think everyone was doing their um, jobs and everything. So it's no longer there because when the COVID era hits, there's like 20 plus streamers always streaming.
Oh.
And then after the COVID era, it's only one or two. Yeah.
Then what about the current streaming communities that's all coming together?
It is still coming together. I think I've seen most of them still in contact with each other. I think 2035 Gaming helps them as well.
To
because,
connect to each other lah.
They connected way before macam they know each other from 2035 Gaming.
Yeah, that's good. At least there's a positive impact
Yeah,
that came
but
out
it's
through
not
it
as
lah.
much as the COVID era lah.
Yeah, definitely. Then are you hoping maybe to create something similar again now?
Seeing the pattern, not really, because I think I've proven to the Bruneian people that it actually can work, but it just need
Effort
effort.
from the community as
Yeah,
well lah.
correct.
That is true. Then you've been mentioning Minecraft dari tadi.
Yeah.
So you've built a Minecraft server to kan. So how do you see platforms like that encouraging creativity, leadership, or teamwork?
Okay, you're talking about Minecraft servers, I think.
Yes.
Minecraft servers, it's basically it's a server that Bruneian can join. Like people in Brunei, not even in Brunei, it's just the whole world can join.
Yeah.
And they can play mini games there together and survive together. Yeah, it's not just surviving actually. In the Minecraft server you can create a mini games and play. It is similar to Roblox.
Yes.
Yeah, correct. But then it's more intensified lah. Yeah.
I see. You still play Minecraft now, right?
Rarely, but
he
he's-
got a job.
yeah, I got a job. That's fine.
But still, at your free time, you do play.
Yeah, I do play games.
Then have you ever used Minecraft server to for positive impact like teaching ka, apa ka?
Yeah, actually, we've collaborated with, I think UTB Gaming Council, something like that. We've conducted an event, and it is just to teach that gaming can actually help us free our mind lah, something like that lah. Yeah.
Okay, when was this?
I think it was 2023.
Oh,
Yeah.
not that far off lah. Technically, it's still recent.
Yeah.
Then, okay, let's talk about the big picture then. How do you see local tech aligning with Wawasan 2035?
I think some of the local tech industries are going through it, but some of them are still stuck out there. If you were to ask me, we're very far apart. Yeah.
We're very far still.
Yeah, we're very far away. I mean, we could still reach the 2035 Wawasan, but it's going to take us much more than this.
Much more effort lah.
Yeah, correct.
What is the gap that you think we need to break through in order to reach that? Or like keep the pace?
I think we just need to teach the local people how important it is to digitalize everything. Yeah.
I agree 100%. Then what role do you think youth-led digital initiatives can play in national progress?
A lot actually, like especially we're missing a lot of applications in Brunei. Let's say, okay, we have delivery applications for other countries, but we currently have it, but it's not as efficient as the others, and we're missing a lot of applications that we use daily. Macam, because it's a very small market and it's quite hard to maintain this
Yeah,
kind of
understand.
applications actually. Yeah.
Yeah, I need a 24-hour food delivery still.
Sure.
Then what is missing in Brunei's digital landscape today? Like whether it's support ka, resources or mindset?
I think it's mostly the mindset. Yeah. Because people think that the old way
Is the
is the best
better way, yeah.
It's actually not. Since with the growth of AI as well, so it's actually growing very fast, and we're still
Lag
lacking.
behind.
Yeah, we're
Yeah,
behind.
understand because like traditional way just makes you push a lot more effort, double the effort
Yeah.
than you would for digitalize, because whatever that you digitalize you can just do it once and you can just recycle it all over again with just the digital thing that you have. Because the traditional kan macam walaupun tayo already do it, if you lose it you have to do it again.
Correct.
Even if you still have it, you have to do it again.
Yes.
Yeah, just to make your life easier. Macam digitalizing everything is better, faster, convenient, effortless, and just makes the country keeps up with the neighboring countries as well.
Correct.
Makes it easier also for tourists to be able to visit Brunei. So whatever they don't traditional thing they don't have, it's accessible to digital lah.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, that plays a huge role for tourists as well. Because I
the
think
tourism.
our country is lacking on that lah. Tourists is only depending on one apps. If you know the apps names are, let's say the Dart,
Yeah.
that's the only apps that you can use for transport.
Yeah.
Yeah. How can we improve this?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Actually, right. This happened to me as well. You know how maybe other countries to other countries they are able to order delivery for other people in other country using the same app worldwide at the But so this friend wanted to order a flower in Brunei, but apps in Brunei does not have that option where another person from another country is able to do that for them. They tried, but they need local number, which makes the connection cut off lah. Like, oh, I can't do this. And especially like for long distance relationships siya to, ah. So the friend actually macam asked, and I said, try it first lah. Then it didn't work, so he had to like do the extra effort to find the number of local florist shop and see if the delivery works. But then it's hard for him as well because how can he pay? Yeah, that was the problem lah. So macam, so I see that's what blocking us from other countries lah.
Yeah. And yeah, I do kind of agree with the payment system in Brunei. It's we're very far apart lah. And the introduction of Tarus Pay, the payment method is actually very good stuff. Yeah, but our neighboring country was able to develop that in 2000 and I think few years back. Yeah.
And we're like 2025 now.
Correct.
10 years still to go, guys. All right. So you're also passionate about using gaming beyond entertainment, kan?
Right.
So how can games build real world skills or even solve problems?
Okay, let's take example of the Minecraft games. As I said, it was built on Java. Java is widely used out there, lah. Even bank system uses Java. So with that platform, we can actually learn the programming language from gaming. So you can actually visualize it instead of just making it a system. If you get what I'm saying, like in Minecraft, you can actually let's say I want to add a block, and I need to actually code it using Java, and from there you can actually learn like what's best, what's not best, and yeah, you can actually implement that into real life solutions. I'm actually been doing that as well. I've learned a lot from gaming, and I bring it to an in real life situation, and it actually applies.
What do you think about using gaming, kan? You said like maybe for building real world skills or to solve problems, especially maybe through education.
Yeah, through education is actually we can actually teaches people with games. It's actually more interactive than a normal practice of education. So it gets the people hyped up. Okay, we're playing games and at the same time we're learning. With that, as I said, Minecraft is beyond our imagination, so we can create anything there is now. Yeah, so I think with education, I think they also can create something similar with that lah. Like, for example, I think I've heard masa COVID era, there's one, but not in Brunei lah. They created a Minecraft server and all the students jumped into the servers, and the teachers are teaching in the servers using the games, and it makes it much more interactive.
Have you encountered something similar? Oh wait, so is this local?
No, it's not local.
But have you ever encountered something local sa Tujua?
I think I do, but it's not in a platform or any games lah.
I see. So do you have any plans to much maybe create something similar, especially with kind of with the fast growing of digital enhancement technology or in Brunei or around the world? Do you think it's good for kids, maybe kindergarten kids, to start playing games that helps to visualize, objects and numbers and thing, and associate them with games lah?
Yeah, I think it is good, but we need to actually limit them a little bit lah.
Because we have growing iPad baby, you know.
Yeah.
So sometimes with iPad babies, it's hard for them to pay attention to real life stuff, kan?
Yes.
So maybe having game instead can help them to focus. But I do understand where you're coming from as well. Macam takut their focus atu will be, I don't know, bad when it comes to macam being in reality or something.
Yeah, it actually it's gonna mess them up lah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe not.
Yeah.
Wait.
For kids, not really, but for teenagers, probably yes. Because teenagers knows the difference between good and bad. Right?
Yeah, that is really true. Yeah, maybe at a certain age when they're already macam understand more regarding gaming and macam separating them between reality and gaming, maybe that works. All right, so continuing on, what's one story or experience from 2035 gaming that proves digital communities can lead real change?
I think mostly about the booking system. Yeah, a lot of people are amazed on how quick we can book a slot with just a click of a button. Instead, the old way was actually from WhatsApp. So when you WhatsApp the court owner, it's gonna take them time. So okay, first I would need to wait until the court owner to
reply.
And then
Yeah.
and then after that, you need to ask which time is available.
Yeah.
So it's
manual
quite,
lah.
yeah, it's very manual, and with the booking system, it's actually it makes it much more easy.
Yeah, it eases the booking.
You can just go to the website and click the code informations and see which time slots are available and fill in all your information and click book, and that's about it. Yeah.
All right. So, what is one app do you think that is missing in Brunei that you think can push digitalization?
Okay. One app that is missing in Brunei is actually an all-in-one application that can do deliveries, payments, that connects runners. But basically, the application will help us do all the essential things such as going A to B, deliver things, and do payments, and something like that.
And transportation as well lah.
Correct.
I see, like all-in-one app that is functional lah in all around the world. Especially, I think it helps with tourism as well. Especially when people want to come to the country and then like use the app.
Yeah, correct.
I see. Other than that,
I think we're still lacking far behind. Even though there is actually app for everything, but it's not as functional.
It still has a lot more work to do lah.
Yes.
I see. Then what about currently with you? Is there any project that you are currently working on?
I'm currently working on multiple projects, but one of them is Trainers-BN.
Trainers-BN?
Yeah, Trainers-BN, we call it in.
Trainers-BN. What is that all about?
It's actually a platform for an educational platform where like if you were to sell your courses, let's say you want to have a training on knitting, let's say, you could actually list them out there and people can actually publicly see it and enroll in the class. So yeah, it's a learning platform.
I see. That's interesting.
But this one is for localized, so everyone in Brunei can actually join in lah.
Then if you say like maybe example like knitting ka, baker ka, then is there any certification needed for them? Because we have a lot of knitters, we have a lot of bakers. So who's to say that everyone will become a trainer? Who's gonna be the customer?
Okay, so not everyone's gonna be the trainer because we'll be filtering the trainers and upon the onboarding process, we'll filter it. We're making sure that the trainer is actually an actual trainer, it's not a fake trainer lah. But yeah, the main platform, the main reason for the platform is to actually open eyes in Brunei that this kind of training exists.
Yeah, and we have
Because
talents.
I think it's quite difficult for Bruneian to find courses like macam tu lah.
That is true.
Yeah.
That is true. Because recently as well, my dad wants to learn how to bake breads, for future business ka. So he went all the way to Jakarta to find bread course ba. But you don't know that people in Brunei actually offer it as well.
Yeah, there's actually a ton of talented people in Brunei.
We just don't know where to find.
Exactly.
Because we don't have any platform for that.
Yeah. Hopefully this platform will help locals to find trainings.
So how's the progress?
It's actually almost complete. We just need to wait for approval from the main boss lah.
Okay,
Yeah.
then what is the required? Example, if I wanna, macam, I don't know, give acting classes or something. What is the requirement?
That one would be, we have our own guideline on that, but I don't think I can discuss it here. It's gonna be a long topic, so. Yeah.
Wow. So will there be macam maybe an opening where we're having this app like inviting
Hopefully
trainers?
so.
Yeah, because I'm sure then what is the difference between dance courses and dance classes?
Classes is actually they do it, let's say, every week, right? For courses, I think they mainly do it by date. So okay, there's gonna be this dance training within 17 until 18. It's actually
Oh,
macam tu lah.
okay, I get
So
it
it's
now.
not a weekly stuff.
Like a program
Yeah, correct.
as
It's
well.
like a program.
Like for dancing, macam dance program lah, ha?
Yeah, correct.
That runs for 2 to 3 days a week, chito.
Yeah.
Okay, so I see. That's quite smart. I really like the idea. Honestly, I really cannot wait for it. So it'll expand the talents that we have in Brunei,
Yes.
other than just your general majors available in Brunei lah, because you don't really find bakers or macam knitters. Most of them are self-brought
Yeah,
up,
self-taught.
self-taught. That was the word. Yeah, self-taught. So it's a really good opportunity lah.
Yes.
Then anything other else that you might want to share, macam the project that you're excited for?
Yeah, I'm quite excited for jomcafe.com. It's the cafe.
You're
It's,
enhancing that?
yeah, it's a cafe locator, but from the user part, it's actually just a cafe locator and cafe hopping tracker. So you can check every time you go to a cafe and click check in.
Check in.
Yeah, check in as in okay, I'm here.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
How many times have I been here?
Yeah, correct. You can actually see that the reason.
Oh,
But you
then-
need to log it yourself, so you need to check in.
Yeah.
And it's actually more than just a platform for cafes. So it's an all-in-one solutions for cafes.
So you also want to do delivery through the app?
Hopefully so, but currently we have a POS system, menu ordering system, and cafe listings, and also a bunch of stuff. And most the most features that we were requested is the loyalty program. I don't know.
I was gonna say that. I was like, if you can check in, then why don't you just include loyalty card or loyalty check-in tariffs?
Yeah, the loyalty program,
Reward
is-
program.
yeah, reward program is actually suggested by local cafes lah, because they're lacking of macam small cafes. It's actually dorang ni macam their lack of system. They usually just use paper and everything. So with Jom Cafe on board, they can just simply use the platform and do the analytics, everything there.
Automatic lah, inclusive.
right.
Oh, that's nice. Then, other than the project, what is next for you in the tech industry?
Okay, and next for me, I think it would be nice if I could actually build a game-changing application. That's what's my next goal is lah.
Game-changing application? What do you mean by game-changing
Which
application?
is gonna change our daily life. Something
With games?
not really with games, but with our daily lives lah. So,
This app that
just-
will
yeah, the app
enhance
that
our
actually-
daily life.
right.
Then, are there new platforms or collaborations, directions that you're currently or wanting to explore?
Currently, I cannot think much longer. Yeah, because I'm a working person as well, so I have my time limited. But
If you could,
if I could, collaboration as in
macam what kind of collaboration do you want to explore that's beyond your scope of work?
I'm not too sure. Yeah.
I see, I see. No worries. Then maybe macam, maybe you want to build a Minecraft server for schools ka so they can easily
Okay.
use or something like that.
Oh yeah, I was actually I had a plan actually.
Mm-hmm.
I was building an application. Tapi it's more into gaming as well.
Mm-hmm.
But it's an interactive gaming for students lah.
Oh.
But I think there's a company that's actually done that before.
Apa?
I think it's Mindtracks.
Mindtracks?
Mindtracks, yeah. They've done this application. Even my brother uses it.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like a quiz, but it's more into gaming style.
Understand.
Yeah.
Yeah. I've played those kind of games
Yeah, right.
before. You know, macam kadang-kadang kalau dah kura-kura and then you have to
Yeah.
this plus this equals what and you
Correct,
get it.
correct.
Yeah, something like that.
Something like that. Yeah.
Yeah. Then, all right, is there any advice for our listeners who wishes to explore down the path like you?
Okay, I think you need to for listeners out there, if you were thinking macam if you want to build this, let's say especially a mobile app ataupun a website application, you would need to actually do it. You don't wait for other people and don't hear macam what other people says, because it's actually that's what I did, and most of the applications that I built are now used by people that actually hate that actually give a negative feedback.
Yeah. I mean, we're speaking with somebody who has created over 100 plus projects with 20% pushed by self-inspiration and 80% client-based projects. Then if they want to reach out to you, where should they go through? LinkedIn, Instagram?
Yeah, I think you can reach out to me via LinkedIn.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think that's one way to reach out. My LinkedIn is Mirza Muqri
I see.
with a Q.
Yeah, if anybody is curious about more regarding development ka or macam the kind of projects maybe that you might be interested to work on but you don't know where to start, then you can just reach out to Mirza Muqri himself through his LinkedIn. Mirza Muqri with a Q. All right, Mirza, once again, thank you so much for closing out this series with such clarity, a passion, and purpose. So, your story is a reminder that building the future doesn't always start with big budgets, you know. Sometimes it starts with curiosity, a Minecraft server, and the willingness to just try. And to all our viewers, thank you. Whether you tune in to discover new voices, find inspiration, or simply explore what's possible in Brunei's digital landscape, I hope this podcast gave you something real to hold on to. So, the Digital Underground podcast was created to shine a light on the builders, thinkers, and changemakers moving quietly but purposely and powerfully beneath the surface. And now, after sharing all these stories from blockchain consultants and drone founders to indie game developers and tech community builders, I can confidently say the future is already happening here. And this may be the end of the podcast for now, but it's not the end of the journey. So keep creating, keep collaborating, and keep digging deeper, because the underground isn't just where things begin, it's where movements are born. And for the last time, I'm Bats, your host, signing off from Digital Underground Podcast. Thank you for being a part of the story. Bye!